What's up, guys? This is TKS Hobby back again. Check it out, man. She is ready for testing. We got the tires in, so we went ahead on and threw those on. We got the wing in, threw that on. The tires, you probably recognize these. If you know anything about Red Cat, these are from the Terremoto 10. You know, that was the 1/10 scale, 4-wheel drive monster truck model after the big 1/8 Terremoto. But it had 17mm hexes. So I went with those. You know, I got some on my 8E over here. I like how they handle. They, you know, as for basher's sake, they nice and smooth, you know, on the road. They do decently off-road. For me, you know, I'm not, like I said, I'm not racing. I'm bashing. I get decent traction. I get decent handling. I like my car to slide a little bit. You know, I like that type of action. And it definitely throws some dirt around when you get in the dirt and everything. Nice little tread pattern on them. You know, they do decent on the road as well. And like I said, I got the wing. That's from the shredder. Same wing I got on the 80s from the shredder. I figured, hey, go ahead and check them out, guys. You might find something you can use. You know, I put my shocks on here. They're from the Red Cat Kaiju. So if you will, I could call this thing the Tekno Kai, or whatever you want to call it, a Tech Jew, whatever kind of silly name you want to throw on it. But yeah, it's a hybrid from Tekno and Red Cat parts. Got my heat sink, that's from Red Cat. And yeah, I know y'all saw when I tested out my servo, how it was acting stupid. I went ahead on and grabbed me a Savox, man. That's that basher grade Savox, the old school. It's the SW0231MG. It's a digital Metal Gear servo, plenty of torque. Used to run this thing when I did a brushless modification on my Revo 3.3. I threw it in there. You know, that usually runs 2 servos. But I threw one of these in there. Worked like a charm, never had any problems, never burnt it out. And I ran that thing like crazy. So yeah, guys, this is her all set up. Now all I need is a new body and paint. Yeah, running my Jeans Ace 5,000 milliamp 4S lipo. Made myself a jumper because I ain't feel like changing my leads yet, because this is Dean's. You know, that's a decent plug. And I'm like I said, I'm bashing. I'm not having problems with the leads and stuff like that. I imagine if I get in a place where I'm starting to push a lot of power and I want to do speed runs, or I want to use high powered lipos, naturally I'm gonna have to change to my, you know, I got some EC5s, or I can get some TX90s, whichever. But anyway, until I get a new body, I'm gonna run this one. You know, I'm gonna run this one. I'm not gonna slap it all the way on just yet. It's the one that it came with. See, it's kind of beat up, but it'll do for testing purposes. Get this thing shut down, you know, and running like I want it running for my purposes. And then I'll naturally, I'm gonna go and get a new body and throw that on there and paint it up like I won't be looking for that video. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take a second and plug it up so you guys can get a look at this thing spinning these tires. Let me know what you think in the comments. Does she have power, or am I running a weak program? Because you remember, I confirmed using my Hobby Wing program card that this is a Hobby Wing ESC. It's the one that you would find in the old, Red Cat. Red Cat set up some kind of nice little deal with Hobby Wing to get some nice ESCs made. They don't program all the way out to the 9. I think a regular Hobby Wing has like 9 or 10 settings, or something like that. I don't remember because it's been a while since I've used a branded Hobby Wing ESC. I've been using these off brands because they Hobby Wing and they cost less. And the 5 settings that they give you, they the main 5, so I don't have a problem with it. But anyway, I'm gonna plug this thing in and let you guys check it out real quick. So she's plugged in. Samax servo. You don't even have to worry about a Samax servo doing this job. Get that turn that I'm looking for, then just a tiny bit of turn. Yeah, I would say that that's a good bit of power. Judging on how much ballooning I'm getting on these tires. Need that expansion because I plan for this thing to get me some nice back flips and different stunts like that. And I like the wider tire instead of a buggy tire. I think I like this wider stance of these. I think that looks real good, guys. I like the rims. They strong. I haven't had them break. My 8E is running Ford S. I haven't had any problems with these rims. Tires aren't coming off, anything like that. They well glued, all of that kind of thing. So I'm satisfied with that. I'm shopping around for a fan for my cooler, my heat sink. I gotta throw a fan on here just for the sake of argument, just to make sure, when I'm running in the summer, I don't want to have to think about it. I don't want to have to check temps. I got that Traxxas Mod 1 pinion gear 16-2 with the factory Tekno spur gear in here. I mean, look at it, man. I'm gonna show you some before and after shots. This is the after. I don't know if you guys see my previous videos, you remember what it looked like before, how there was rust everywhere, just everywhere. And it's nowhere now. I decided to lock out that center diff. There's no diff fluid in that center diff. I put some swimmer's earplugs in there, that silicone, lock that center diff up. But I do have 60,000 weight in the front and rear diffs on this thing. So when I run it, I might be getting wheelies and everything. I don't know. I have to see. Because I just throw combinations of stuff together and see what it does and do my little fine tuning from there. I might have to lighten up the shock oil. Or if I'm getting big air with this, I might do some mods. I might have to go to some heavy duty mods for this thing so I can do some big air stunts with it. After all, I saved a mint on this thing. Buying this thing as a roller, that was the move, man. That was the move. I don't think there was any doubt. I don't think there's any doubt. Give me some decals on here. Get everything set up. I think she's ready. Yeah, I think she's ready. Anyway, that's this video. We're gonna get outside real soon and test her out. soon as I get this battery fully charged. It's not even fully charged. So this is TKS Hobby saying, if you ain't crashing, you ain't bashing. You guys be blessed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Help grow the channel. Help build the hobby. TKS Hobby signing out. Peace.